guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sherry K Everyday. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rova Massage Gun. This massage gun is £75 and it's on Amazon, and I'm going to explain to you why this massage gun is great value for money. Rova gun comes with 4 different massage heads, and for £75 I'd say that's pretty good, because I've looked around and I've noticed that a lot of the guns don't really come with that many massage heads, or they usually just come with one or two for the price of £100. So personally, when I was looking for the massage gun, I was looking for a few things. Number one, I wanted to make sure that it was stable and didn't vibrate a lot in your hands, you know, to avoid sort of the wrist pain or hand fatigue. After doing a little bit of research, I'd found that you have to look out for the MG series if you want the gun to be stable and not vibrate too much in your hands. So this Rova gun is the MG series MG10, so it doesn't really vibrate much in your hand. So if I switch it on there, you can see it's pretty stable, to be honest. My hand's not shaking. It's not really causing any issues, and I really like that. So one of the plus things about this massage gun is that it's got a special heat technology. So when you're using it for a long period of time, it doesn't overheat, so that's pretty cool. And also one of the other things is that it automatically switches off after 10 minutes, so you're not supposed to use it on a certain muscle group for too long. I bought the massage gun because I do a lot of training, I do a lot of running, and I get really sore muscles that are sometimes unbearable. And so this massage gun has really helped me to relieve the tension in my muscles, in my legs, my arms. I'd say that also for people that suffer arthritis or joint muscle pain, this gun is really useful for sort of relieving that pain as well. Also, the massage gun is useful if you're someone that suffers really bad period pains. For the ladies out there, I do think that it's helped on, you know, relieving the pain in your lower back. Also, if you've been working from home and you sit at a screen and look at the screen all day and you're at the desk, you might tend to feel that you've got a lot of pressure on your shoulders and your neck. So this is also useful for that. It arrives in this grey box. So it's a little carry box with a handle. It's pretty cute. And it comes with 4 different massage heads and the gun. You have the fork massage head, and this is used for your neck. You then have the bullet one, which is used for your knees and joints. The round one is used for your glutes and underarms. And then you have the flat head, which is for your hamstrings and underarms. So the gun is pretty lightweight. It weighs around 700 grams, which is a lot less weighty than the other guns out there. So the other ones range from about 800 to 900 grams. And the companies say that it should weigh the same as a mineral water bottle. So I can say that's about right. It probably does weigh the same as a water bottle. It's not really too heavy, and I definitely think it's something that you can pop in your bag, or, you know, your handbag or your backpack. You can take it with you if you're going cycling or to the gym or even to work. So I would definitely say that it's something you can carry about with you. It's not too heavy. I'll pop in this round massage head, and it's pretty easy. You just sort of push it in there, and to take it out you turn it and it just comes out. So literally, if you wanted to change one of the heads, you just twist it like so, pull it out, and then you have the other one and you just push that in. So it's pretty secure. I haven't had really any issues of it flying out or causing any problems. So as I mentioned, it's got 3 different speeds, the low, medium and high, and that's the first one. And then this is the second one, so that's a little bit faster, as you can see. And then the third one. As you can see, there are 4 lights here. This is the battery system, so this is showing you that it's on full charge. So obviously, to get the best results, you'll want it to be on full charge so that you can get the most out of the strength and the vibrations. And when it gets to around, I'd probably say 2 or 1, you'd want to make sure that you start recharging it. So it also mentions on Amazon that the Rova gun doesn't get louder than 60 dB, so even when you put it onto the highest gear, it shouldn't get any louder than that. So it's not too loud. Apparently it's not supposed to wake up a baby whilst it's on the loudest gear, so that's what they claim. And I would say that personally it can be a little bit loud. I mean, if you're watching telly, you'd have to put the telly a little louder if you're on the 3rd gear. One of the other thoughts that I had was, you know, how easy is the massage gun to use on your body? Like, can I really use it on myself? So I'll just show you. If I pop that in there and I switch that on, that's on the lowest one. It's not really difficult for you to sort of reach certain areas. So as you can see, I'm doing my arms there and it's pretty easy to do. And then if I went to my neck, you know, that's pretty easy as well. I would say that in your neck area, it's better to keep it on the lower pressure, because otherwise it really starts vibrating like your head and your teeth and stuff, and that's not cool. So look, as you can see, I can reach my back pretty easily there. And also if I went around this way, it's not really that difficult. So overall, you know, the design is really nice. I really like the fact that it's a green. It's not difficult to hold. I mean, personally, my hands are really small, and this is a 40mm wide grip. I've also seen the different massage guns on Amazon and around different websites, and they've got an LED screen here, and it's got different speeds and strengths that you can sort of use of the massage gun. Personally, I don't really like that, because I like to just pick up the gun and to have it really easy to use. So the fact that it's got, you know, the 3 different low, medium, high is ideal for me, because I'm not someone that really likes to sort of start setting up, you know, all the different speeds. It takes 4 to 12 hours to charge, so not too long. It says it takes between 2 to 12 hours, but I would say it doesn't really take that long to charge it to full charge, probably around 3 to 4 hours. So it comes with a Type-C charger, and the charging system looks like this. And also, just a reminder, the gun isn't waterproof, so, you know, don't start you know, using it in the shower or anything. It's not waterproof, so just yeah. Our muscles can tend to become overused, they can suffer trauma, or they can become tense. So what the massage gun does is it speeds up the recovery process and reduces inflammation in that particular area. Overall, the whole process is to repair your muscles and to improve your well-being.